Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys my Black Friday makeup haul because all my stuff has been delivered. Well, I really just ordered from one place online, but it's here and I'm using one of those today, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got because I'm pretty excited to try these things out. So if you want to see what I got for my Black Friday makeup shopping haul, then just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any videos, and go follow my page on Instagram. It's at chelsdoes.makeup, and I will continue to have more videos, more pictures, more Instagram stories of just like me getting ready, or tips and tricks, hacks, all that good stuff. And yeah, so let's get right to it. And swish! Okay, so I did most of my Black Friday shopping at makeup stores because that's what calls my attention. So I started off at Sephora, and I didn't find a whole ton of sales, but I did find one. So I really only got one thing there. I got the Kat Von D Fetish palette, this guy here, and it is big. It is a big palette, and I think it's normally almost $70. I got it for $31.50. So to me, that was a steal, and I had to have it. I actually hadn't heard about this palette, or hadn't seen it too much prior to that, but I was like, yes, that is a steal. And take a look at it. It is pretty amazing. It's got this huge mirror. You can probably see my camera set up there. And it's got these really pretty colors. They've got these really like sassy names. It's like nylon, blindfold, suspension, whip, chastity, corset, safe word, bondage. Yeah, this is definitely the fetish palette. But the colors are super pretty, and they're great for like the winter. A lot of dark colors, a lot of shimmery colors, but lots of mattes as well. So I really can't wait to start playing around with this palette, and maybe I'll do some swatches for you guys. So my next stop was at Ulta, of course, and I got two things. Well, my husband got me one, and I really wanted it since last year. I don't know if they had it last year, but I wanted something similar. It's the NYX Advent Calendar. It's 24 days of makeup. That is amazing. And this is the Sugar Trip edition. It started out at about $70, I think, and then it went on sale for $55, and then I got it, or my husband got it, for $35. So again, a steal, Black Friday sale. I think they're sold out now. I ripped one of the doors, and if you follow my Instagram page, you've been seeing me open all the doors. Some of them a little bit late because apparently I'm not very good at keeping up with it. But it has these cute little doors, and each day I get a new piece of makeup. Take that one out. It's been a lot of lipsticks and highlighters so far, but super cute. It's all part of their Sugar Trip collection. So I will continue to open those every day, and so far I have not been a huge fan of the lipsticks. They've been a little too pink for me, but I'm going to find a way to use them. I'm going to do a look. I'm going to try to do something where I involve a lot of these products sometime this month. So look out for that. Another thing I got at Ulta is the Mario Badescu Skincare Multi-Masker. It comes with 3 masks. It comes with the Super Collagen mask, the whitening mask, and the flower and tonic mask. So 3 masks. I think they're full size. I haven't actually opened it. Let's open it. Yeah, so comes with 3 masks to do. So I haven't tried them yet. I've actually never used this brand. I know some people who love this brand, or they love these facial sprays, and I've also heard things like it makes some people break out. So I've heard different things, so I'm gonna try these out, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I thought about them. But yeah, I'm definitely trying to do more about my skincare routine, just because I do put on so much makeup so often I feel like I need to take care of my skin. We should all take care of our skin. It's super important. So that's what I got at Ulta. It's normally a $30 value and I got it for $12. So that's what I got. They also had the mini sprays also for $12, but those I think normally will cost you like $15 total for all three. So I was like, $30 savings. Yeah, maybe not. So I didn't get them, but maybe I should give them a try. I don't know. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. So far, my favorite setting spray is from Gerard Cosmetics. So I shopped their online sale Black Friday. It was an amazing sale. Everything was 51% off with free shipping. That's insane. Like, these setting sprays are not cheap. They're usually pretty expensive and I love it, and I'm almost out of my mango one. It's the only spray I really use in my videos, so I got a new one and I think it turned out to be like $15, and it's normally like, well, whatever 51% of that normally is. So I got the cucumber one this time, this one here, and I actually haven't smelled it. I think I've smelled it at a store once, but it smells like a spa. I love it. Yes. Okay, favorite spray. I think they might still have the sale going on. Not sure. But if you haven't tried these sprays, you need to try them. They also have the small versions of them. I go through it pretty quickly, so I need the full size. But if you're skeptical and you just want to give one a try, use the little one. Give that a try. I promise you, you're going to love it. Also, from Gerard Cosmetics, I ordered... Where are they? They're all over the place. I ordered some lipsticks because they were so inexpensive. Like, normally these things aren't cheap, and 51% off. Like, that was insane. It was the best deal I got out of Black Friday. I was so excited. Their customer service is amazing. I tagged them in my Instagram story, showing that I was ordering, and I was showing my followers that that sale was going on my Instagram page, and they immediately sent me a DM and said, "We're so excited that you're ordering from us. Please let us know as soon as your package arrives to make sure that it came in the best condition ever." So I thought that was really cool of them to check in, because sometimes things go missing, things aren't right, things are broken, you know. So it was really nice of them to check in. So the first one I got is this one here. It's a super lip cream, and this is in the color... Boom, boom. This is in the color Envy, and it's really pretty. On my Instagram page, you can see all of these lipsticks on my lips and see how they look. So all of them were super pretty, and they're very easy to wear with really any makeup look. So that's what I was aiming for. The next one I got is the Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the color Sedona. This guy here. By the way, their packaging is really pretty. I really like the gold, and it doesn't look cheap. And this is actually the color I'm wearing on my lips right now. So kind of like orangey, brownish, Sedona, I guess. I really liked this color. This is a color that is always been kind of like a favorite of mine. This just these tones here. So I really like that you can wear them any part of the year, because you can just play around with them. And then the last one is just a regular lipstick, which the packaging is gorgeous. It's just all gold. Look at that. Yes. And this one is just in a nude color. This is called Nude. And just a lipstick. And again, you'll see on my Instagram the color, how all these look. It's super pretty, super nude. It's not super creamy. It was a little bit dry when I put on my lips, but that's okay. I can just use a lip balm under it and it's going to be fine. And that's what I got at Gerard. Last but not least, I got some new things at e.l.f. I didn't get these on Black Friday, and I didn't get any special deal on them, but e.l.f. is already so inexpensive that anything you buy from them is already a steal. And I really, really like these products that I got, so I wanted to share them with you. The first is the Poreless Face Primer, and I actually started buying more e.l.f. because I was asked about e.l.f. and so I really wanted to give those a shot because they are so inexpensive that they are the perfect brand to start out with if you are just starting to play with makeup. And even if you've been playing with makeup for so long, they have so many great products and it's so inexpensive. So poreless face primer, got this here, and the smell. I don't love the smell. I can't explain it. I don't love it, but the actual primer is pretty good. It does blur. I feel like it has silicone in it because it just definitely feels like it gets in there. So I felt like it does a good job. So fairly inexpensive. I don't remember the price of that, but I can look at that. The next one is the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter. And you guys, this is in Bubbly. You guys saw this in my last video. The Jelly Highlighter. It's kind of like the Farsali Jelly Beam, and it's so pretty. It does need to be applied and immediately blended out, as I said so in my last video. But it's so pretty, and I've been using this under my normal powder highlighter, and it's been giving me like the best glow ever. This next one is just a loose powder glitter. This is Milky Way. You can see here. It's just loose pigment, and this is almost, well, it's pretty white, but it actually goes on almost clear. Like there's no color to it, it's just a sparkle. So I feel like I can probably use this with any eyeshadow and just put this on top and it'll just sparkle. Next one is the e.l.f. Mix to a Match Adjuster. This is in the darkest shade they have, and I think it's meant to be so you can adjust the color of your foundation to match your skin tone if that's been changing. This one I'm assuming would make it a little bit darker. I didn't use it for that. I used it as a contour. If you saw my last video, you see how easily this thing blends out. I love it. I'm using it today. I'm going to continue using it, and I'm a fan. I recommend everyone give that a try as your contour. I think that's it. I asked for makeup as my gift for my husband, so I think that's what he's gonna get me. I gave him lots of options, so I'm hoping that that's what he gets me and I don't end up with like sneakers, because I'm gonna be like, that was definitely not on my list. If you look at my list to him, it's like makeup, cleanser, primer, makeup, which I guess that's makeup as well, and some bracelets. So not a lot to deviate from, Mr. So yeah, once I get anything new, not that I know that that's what I'm getting, I will do another video and I'll show you guys everything new I've got, or if I end up buying something for myself, I will show you guys what it is. Yeah, so let me know. Did you guys find anything really good on Black Friday? Anything makeup related that you want to share? Let me know. Or if there's just any product that you're just like dying for, or you need to share with others that they need to try to know about. So I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys.